Geometrical meaning of a definite integral. The diagram shows there is the curve which is called as y is equals to f of x, and the function y is equal to f of x is divided into some intervals, that is from a to b. Now the closed interval a to b is divided into h intervals such that the very first one is a plus h, while the second one is a plus h comma a plus 2h, while the third one is a plus 2h comma a plus 3h, and so on. The last one is a plus nh comma b. B is the upper limit while the a is known as the lower limit. Now, how can we express this definite integral as the limit of a sum? Now we'll discuss here. In order to make the definite integral as a limit, the two as a sum, we'll assume that f of x is a function of x, and this is f of x is continuous on the closed interval a comma b. We'll take a natural number called as n, and this for natural number n, we'll define the value of h. The value of h can be defined as b minus a by n, and the limit of the sum can be written as h of f of a plus, while the second one is f of a plus h, while the third one is f of a plus 2h, and so on. We'll get the last one as f plus f of a plus n minus 1 into h. So if you observe that a plus h, a plus 2h, a plus 3h, so on, a plus n minus 1 into h, these are all in the arithmetic progression, and the condition is n tends to infinity. As n tends to infinity, we will call this integral as a definite integral of the function f of x. And this integral is defined on the closed interval a comma b, where a and b both are included, and also the values which lies in between a and b. For example, a plus h, a plus 2h, a plus 3h, so on, a plus n minus 1 into h, and b. We will define this integral a to b f of x into dx, so that the definite integral can be expressed as a limit of the sum. So remember that this total limit of the sum will be written as h of f of a plus f of a plus h, f of a plus 2h, so on. The nth term will be f of a plus n minus 1 into h. The condition is n tends to infinity. Now, you can write it as integral a to b f of x dx is equals to limit h tends to 0, h of a plus f of a plus h plus so on, f of a plus n minus and h. And we define the definite integral where the lower limit is less than the upper limit.